In this video, I'll be showing you how to change your Steam password. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, it's really easy to go ahead and do this. So all you want to do is go ahead and launch Steam, and then on the top left corner, you want to go ahead and click on Steam, and then go over to settings like so. Now, on the settings sidebar, go ahead and make sure you're on the account tab, which is going to be the first one anyway, and you're going to see a lot of different things. But what you want to do is locate the security section, or just go over to like the privacy or account details. You're going to see security right there. So as you can see, right now we're in account details. So we want to go over to security and devices, which is the fourth option. And then you're going to see change password as one of the options. So go ahead and click on that. And then it's going to ask you how you want to change it. So we can just go over and send a confirmation to the Steam mobile app. So that's what I'm going to go ahead and do. And then on my phone, all I want to do is open up my Steam application and then just go over to my Steam Guard. And then I want to go over to the pending notification section, go over to account recovery, and then go ahead and press confirm. Now it's going to say waiting for you to confirm, but then once you confirm it, you're going to be able to change your password right here, and then you'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well.